everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, or Miranda, and I am back in North Carolina and I'm super excited. So I wanted to jump right in and waste no time to get my meal plan done for the week of 8/27 through 9/2. So jumping right into my household planner, I want to give you a quick reminder of how the spread looked last week, and there it is, all bright and colorful and summer-like. And just as a reminder, I did set my budget for $65. So I ended up spending $82.37, and that put me roughly, not roughly, it put me $17.37 over budget. So here I'm just filling that in. Mr. Master Plan asked for additional snacks and food as we were not able to meal prep prior to me leaving out of town because we got so super busy last weekend. But never fear, there's always next week, right? As you are aware, we're still on Operation Use What You Have. So in line with that, I have pulled one of the to-do sheets from the front of this home planner. And this week it is in hot pink. So let's grab that and get started. Mr. Master Plan should really be happy that I'm doing this. So there's the sheet. I've already pulled it off. I've already started to mark where I need to lay the washi tape. And in terms of washi tape, I have selected an oldie but goodie. I do believe I got it about a year or so ago from Michaels. It was a 3-set. And it was a food truck washi tape. So there's 3 pieces there, and I think it'll look absolutely cute. Now the challenge is that pink at the top, but let's just jump in with filling in the washi and let's see what I came up with to get rid of the pink, as all of this washi is all thin. Notice the black and red lumberjack washi tape, or the black and red plaid washi tape, whatever you want to call it. I call it lumberjack. On the top, that complemented our spread really nice. The thin washi tape there is from Michaels. It's a Recollections brand. And I grabbed the calendar foiled Agenda 52 sticker pack, and I put down green days of the week. It looks pretty cute. Notice that checklist, and that is from the new Joann's Accessories Mega Box. And I have used it for 2 weeks in a row. So I just put my meal plan there for the week. And let's start putting those plans into our actual meal plan. So on Monday, we'll have Korean chicken meal prep bowl. And it sounds super yummy. I can't wait. And then fast forward to Tuesday, where we are going to have Instant Pot beef tips with veggies. And I finally got an Instant Pot, so I'm super excited to crack it open, and I'll let you guys know how it works for me. I'm most excited about preparing rice in 6 minutes. Okay, on Wednesday it will be leftovers from Monday, so it'll be the Korean chicken meal prep bowl. And then on Thursday again, we will have leftovers of the beef tips and veggies. On Friday, because no stove will be fired up, we will have takeout. And if you notice there, I am using tool pens, and they are both in medium and black and red. All right, on Saturday, because Mr. Master Plan has plans, we're going to have some chips and sandwiches. And then on Sunday, we're going to have ribs, coleslaw, and baked beans. And yes, that is a recycled meal from a couple of weeks ago where we didn't have it. No, actually, it's a new meal. We ate ribs a couple of weeks ago. I'm just being super repetitive with the menu, that's all. Okay, so jumping right into the Happy Planner food sticker book, I'm going to go on Tuesday and add some veggies there. I chose the carrot, potatoes, and then tomatoes. And then you'll see me jump there to the left side on Monday, and I'm going to add one of those little bowls and the cute little chopsticks to symbolize the meal prep bowl that we'll have. And then you notice I'll jump down on Friday because I'm really have the taste for some sushi, and I'll add sushi there as we're going to do takeout from a local Japanese restaurant here in North Carolina. Look how the stickers just brought something extra to this spread this week. I love it. So another great week of meal planning. I like how this turned out. Flipping on the back to the grocery list, you'll see that I broke out my favorite colorful boxes to get those black boxes there and added a little washi tape. Does this spread remind you of fall? Because I'm getting all the fall feels from this spread with that lumberjack up top. Now to that $100 budget, I keep going over my goal of $75, but I then had to put things into perspective for myself, which is Mr. Master Plan takes his lunch every day. So I think that that extra $25 is just coming from the fact that he's not eating out. And I'm absolutely fine with it. So that completes this meal plan for 8/27 to 9/2. So just a quick poll or an opinion from you guys. Do you like the shorter meal plan with me? Because I'm enjoying shooting them. And I think it encourages you guys to watch the whole thing, and it doesn't take a big chunk of time out of your day. So leave your comments below. Let me know how you feel about it. I totally enjoy recording them either way. So if you do like it and you don't want to leave a comment, then I would really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. So that thumbs up, definitely need that. And I hope you guys have a great and productive week and prepare great food for your family. Ciao, bellas.